Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's how to change the bulb in an Ikea lamp, although I think they actually pronounce it Ikea. As you can see here, this Ikea lamp is not working. I recommend when you're removing the bulb and reinstalling the bulb that you just wear a small glove or use a small rag just in case the bulb breaks. First thing you must do is switch it off at the plug and unplug it just for safety. Now I've got pretty big hands and sausage fingers, so removing this bulb and reinstalling the bulb is pretty tricky. But what you need to do is get your fingers inside the lamp and then you're unscrewing the bulb anti-clockwise. Just keep going until it removes. There we go. And this is a 15-watt bulb in this one, and this is an incandescent bulb. I recommend you replace it with an equivalent LED. Now these are E14 bulbs, which means they've got a 14mm diameter screw thread on. And this is the one we've just removed. You can see it's blown there, the filaments all over the place. Now I've still got some spare bulbs which I got from Ikea. Now I do recommend that you use LED bulbs when you replace these, as they don't get as hot and they will use much less energy. I'm just going to take out this new bulb. Looking good. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I've got pretty big hands and getting into here is an absolute nightmare. I'm just going to show this all in real time to show you how difficult it really is. There's no kind of easy way to do this. I recommend if you've got small children or anybody with small hands, then let them do it. Oops, here we go. You can't even really put your hand up through the other side and do it from that side. It's just a question of getting it on that thread, getting it nice and parallel, and then just twisting the bulb clockwise to screw it in. Once it starts biting, it's not too bad. And on this evidence, I'm glad I didn't train to be a surgeon. Because the bulb is set at an angle, you cannot get your hand in at the other side to do it nice and easy. Finally, it's going onto the thread. For safety, it is recommended that you do wear a glove, but obviously if I was wearing a glove it would make it even more difficult to try and get the bulb in. But it's a good idea just in case the bulb did happen to break. Just keep going until it's nice and tight. Great stuff. Now let's plug it back in and switch it on and test the lamp out. Ta-da! Fantastic. Now I just need an idea for my next video. Time for a brew. In the top right, how to change a light bulb in a ceiling rose. In the top left, how to replace a bathroom light bulb. And in the bottom left, how to replace the bulb in a lava lamp. I hope that was useful. Ikea. Ikea.